clients do not pay up on time. I have heard this numerous times from owners of many small manufacturing businesses and also experienced myself. They find reasons to not pay you, or many times it's just the delay for no concrete reason. Let's look at what is in our control and how we can make our payment collection more efficient. The target number to improve here is average receivable days. Now here are some business tips to improve payment collection and thereby build positive cash flows in your manufacturing businesses. 1. Negotiate better payment terms during order finalization itself. I have already created another video to detail out on this. Second is set invoicing targets and prepare invoicing plans on weekly basis and follow through like an important target to achieve. Third is make sure you invoice timely and you issue correct invoice with all supporting documents. Get a confirmation from client that they have checked and found all okay. Next one is update and review receivable aging report on a weekly basis and decide your actions accordingly. Next one is start reminding customers before the payment due date. Sixth is structure and automate follow-ups. Follow-up intensity, scripts and methods should change as per the aging and type of customers. Next is deal with bad dates and likely to be bad dates with special focus. In India, use the MSME 45-day payment rule to your advantage. Distribute payment collection responsibility and explain the importance of payment collection to the team members. And then last is conduct weekly reviews to monitor progress. These are simple but effective strategies to improve payment collection in your manufacturing business. Thank you.